Welcome to practice day at the US Open.
Subscribe.
First pattern, 45 feet. Subscribe to...
Subscribe. The house.
I don't
Mikey,
even...
me.
The house, Mikey,
Brad, Kyle,
Darren, Brad, and Kyle.
Just hit the red button.
Red button, bottom right corner, red button.
All I did.
3, 2, 1, practice.
Day
Hi.
one.
Good morning.
The US Open. Day
The
one.
US Open. It's 1 degree outside.
I love Indy in the winter time. Let's get to the bowling alley because it's like 3 degrees.
I'm 3 with Mitch Hoope of seeing what he's got. That'd be good, Mitch. So what I'm hearing is when it's like 45 feet, the fronts are just gonna hook like 10 miles
11 and a half.
because we're left-handed.
I throw it too soft for this.
I also throw it too soft for this.
I also throw it too soft for this.
You know who doesn't throw it too soft for this? Where is he? Where is he? Spencer.
Him too. Hey, throw it 100 for us one time.
Who throws it hard for us?
Hold on, watch him. He's gonna throw it 100, and he's gonna hit the pocket, and it's gonna be great.
See, he throws it hard enough. That's perfect.
I wish my ball would 3.9.
You got a curve. Out of all the bowlers left, there's just so many lefties. I feel like there's so many lefties still practicing.
I am dialed in. I've thrown 3 in a row.
I said I'm looking around, and you got from lanes 35 before this. Lanes
Just
30.
all the righties' ball reactions are so good. They don't need to practice the whole time.
Yeah, I was just looking around and I saw like there's like 10 minutes left in practice of this first hour and a half, and there's almost all the lefties are still here. So
BJ bowled for 20 minutes. I said it must be nice to be that good and not have to bowl the session. He said, well, all my balls are the same thing. Nice.
yeah, they all hit the pocket and strike.
Then he said they all plaque 10. I was like, all right, fair enough.
Okay. Well, all my balls hit the pocket and strike when I throw them perfect. When I don't, that's what we're looking for. We're looking for the when I don't. How do I figure it out? So I think it's the end of practice session number 1, 45 feet. Kind of the 45 feet with like a oil spot up the middle, but it's very, very flat. So it's going to be tough. I think the play is just keep it in play, keep it in front of you, and hopefully you can hit the pocket as many times as possible. That's the play. What's your play, Ogle?
My play?
We're talking about the left side.
All
so
10 pins down.
knock all 10 down.
Yeah. I have
then-
6 balls I did that with. I may have only had 6 strikes total.
How long did you practice though?
I just got done. Hour and 10 minutes.
Okay. I was talking and I said, looking around, lefty. There's a lot of lefties still practicing.
Yeah, is that good or bad for you? Probably not good.
Not good. We got to figure it out. That power torque, like 10, 12 to like 8, 7, 8. If it's 6 or 5, it's getting 6 or 5. So got to keep it in play and keep it in front of us on this 45 footer. And I will see you guys in an hour and a half on pattern number 2.
Yeah, guys, as you can see, it's been a grueling day, but I still have my lead. Woohoo! 3 rounds in, so we just got to keep doing our thing, and yeah, Packy bowl slower.
All right, Jake, we got 37 feet dead flat. What are we throwing?
Everything.
I'm going to throw one ball.
Yeah, I'm going to throw possibly plastic, and it's going to be some sort of urethane, probably the pink widow.
Yeah, I'm going to throw the plastic ball just because spare shots are going to go down the lane.
Yeah, and I figure I might as well throw the same ball on both, so it's going to be plastic, probably.
Yeah.
But this is one pattern I've bowled on that it has to be way easier to be considered hard.
Yeah. That makes sense.
Yeah.
I'm throwing probably the black hammer, and we're going to call it good. Try and keep it in front of me and get as many 9 counts as possible.
Yeah, I think hitting the one in the front is the play, as many as you can, and hope they're together.
It's way easier to strike when you hit the one close to you.
Yes.
Same with spares.
Yes. If you miss the one close to you in the first one, it's going to be pretty hard to hit the second one.
Butthole gets tight.
Like sphincter tight.
Clenched cheeks on the second shot for sure.
Yeah,
All right, well,
straight popping.
let's throw some shots with this black one and see what it does. We got a lot of urethane on the 37 foot. That's for damn sure.
Yeah, which ones did you like? You like that new pink one?
Purple, black, pink. Those are the colors of the week. Purple, black, pink. And then light blue on the long.
Well, those are pretty easy colors.
What are you
for
throwing
me.
this week?
Those are pretty easy colors for me to see.
Throwing a blue tank?
No, I'm not throwing a blue tank. I'm throwing that purple tank, and then
Ooh.
I just got in a reactive and shipped it right.
Do what you do best. Hook the lane.
Exactly.
Give them the
And
reactive.
On a flat pattern, I know what I'm good at, and I'll attack it that way.
Yeah, I think actually that's kind of what I messed up a little bit. I tried to like play the in-between, like hook it a little bit, not too much, keep it in front of me. And I really should have just played a little further left and just chucked it, or played really far right. On the low end, the low end's a little tighter in the front part of the lane, but The high end, I could definitely just keep it in front of me and jam it, and on the low end, I think I could hook it a little bit just because there's a little more push in the front.
Every time I went to the low end, I saw a lot more hook on the right side. Than
and it was the same for me. It was like a lot more hook down lane, and I could actually feed my urethanes through it, whereas the urethanes up here, like if I fed it around it, it wouldn't hook, or if I fed it up the lane, it would hook immediately.
Yeah,
so
I think this pattern's not as challenging as what the
sheet says.
Yeah, exactly.
I disagree, and hopefully I'll agree by the end of day 2. That's what I'm hoping for. All right, pattern 3, yet to be announced, but coming up. You play lane. Give us some French.
Bonjour tout le monde, je pense que la Purple Hammer, ça va être merveilleux. Quelque chose aussi peut-être un peu plus solide avec une pin un peu plus proche. Je pense que ça va être difficile, fait que les réserves, ça va être la clé du succès.
I heard Purple Hammer. That's what I heard. I heard Purple Hammer. What did it mean? What did that mean?
It's mean the best ball ever, so easy like that.
Easy. Day 2, easy. Purple Hammer.
Yeah, Purple Hammer and make some spare.
Darren got a random PED test.
Yeah.
Subscribe
to all the channels.
He's kind of buff over there, yeah.
Let me use this hand. There we go.
Oh, there we go. Oh, yes.
It's the smaller
Oh,
one.
look out there. 37 flat.
I mean, if we bowled on the exact same thing, I'm probably throwing the pitch black every single game.
All I hear is AJ talking so loud, and it's just... Come on! All right, before we get to pattern 3, we're taking guesses. Volume and length and ratio.
40 feet, 28.7 mils, 1.92 to 1.
Okay, I'm guessing 41 feet, 1.86 to 1. 24 mils, 27 mils, 27 mils.
I'm going with 40 feet, 24 mils, 1.5 to 1. That's what I'm guessing.
Whoever guesses it right wins the US Open.
Here I am.
Brian, show him how.
I'll try.
No, there is no try. There is do and do not. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby, tell him. Tell him!
That's how you do it, man.
Think 6?
I'm thinking 8.
8. I got 10. Haven't seen a miss over here.
I don't miss on this pair.
Basically done before I had to teach you a lesson. I hope you...
My turn. You said first to 1.
I did say first to 1.
First to 1. First
Dude,
to 1
my hands
strike.
are sweaty as shit. Oh my God.
I know you're nervous from this first to 1.
Nervous as hell. And let the games continue.
Such a joke.
Continue.
Such a joke. Weird. Do I get a rebuttal since you've thrown 2 shots?
We'll give you a rebuttal.
All right. Real strikes. First to miss now. Well, I don't know how long this is gonna go in the first to miss, but
Now is it first to 2?
first to 2. The standards are high. Because this is way more important than the major we're bowling for.
Yeah, because practice session is where the pressure is. We thrive for that practice session pressure.
That was so bad. I don't even know why I thought it was going to strike.
Because it came back and hit the pocket?
Yeah, I know. It's supposed to if it hits the pocket.
All right, lesson for all you youth out there. If your ball hits the pocket, it should strike.
Every time. Literally doesn't matter what direction it came from, how it came off your hand.
Not at all.
If it hits the pocket,
it should strike.
why don't they all fall?